Morning. 11:27 UTC time or GMT or British Standard Time. How you guys doing? Hope you guys still alive. You're in your positions. On a serious note, hopefully would no one who didn't themselves any harm physically, because there was some pain. There was some pain felt by the noobs. I had somebody comments on YouTube that he's down 80%. And so after some further digging, he is down $200. So what? He put in $250 and he's now sitting on $50, right? Approximately. And he had a lot of teary face emojis. He was really, really sad. And so a little bit of more digging, and I asked him what did he invest in, or where did he put his money. He said, I bought some meme coins. He said he was up big. He was in profit. And now he's on $50. So maybe he turned that 250 into 1,000. And it seems like that 1,000 could have been life-changing for him personally. Yeah, maybe he was I think he had an Indian name, so maybe that $250 is actually a quite a sizable amount in his local currency, right? So who did he listen to? I don't know, just the general chitter chatter of the YouTubers, right? This maybe Rand Nuna, etc. All these guys. Shilling rubbish. And I apologize if you guys have ever lost money following me. You shouldn't be following one person, and especially a guy that is only hops onto the laptop occasionally. I'm only on the laptop a little while on TradingView, so I can't hold your hand if you follow me. But so all trades are your own. Crypto is the highest appreciating asset of all time, but also that volatility to get you to go higher also plays out on the flip side when it goes down. And so my thesis of 100k by Memorial Day and then a further altcoin season of June, July, August, and then over. Wow, this kind of seems like it's playing out into a longer term bull that goes into 2022 and maybe a little bit into 2023. Who knows? This is the way this is playing out. Because I was anticipating a blow off from 55, 60 to 100, and then kind of Bitcoin not doing much for the rest of the year. And that allowing the altcoins to even go higher, the major altcoins like the Bitcoin Cash, the Litecoins, Ethereum's, the top 10, 15, 20, right? But this wipeout could actually signal something even bigger. Like a longer than a 4-year market, right? And so this is something to keep an eye on how it evolves. Everyone's used to these 4-year cycles. What if it's a 5.5-year cycle this time around? You don't know. We can't know. As a market participant, you have to be open to the ever-evolving market conditions, because the players are not the same. The people coming in and out, buying and selling, are different. So your viewpoint must also be flexible. Flexibility is key. So I just got this ETHBULL USD token up on the chart. It's something I picked up last night at 34.82. Picked up one token. It may have even dipped after I bought it, which is always the case, right? It's always the case, right? Maybe I bought it here, and what did it down to? Then I went to bed, obviously, or just chilled out and made some food and watched some. Oh, what was I watching last night? Ted Lasso, yeah, on Apple TV. Yeah, it's pretty good, pretty funny. Started watching it, so I'm 2-3 episodes into it. Very enjoyable. So what? This low 2,551. So maybe I bought up here and went down here. Oh no, that is what 20-30% haircut, 25% haircut. But where are you at now? Where are you at now? 3,510. Okay, not too big of a deal. So I believe it should on daily. It looks like it's on the daily even. Look at the 18 average. This is also going to be little skewed, obviously, because it's a leverage token, but things are looking all right. Momentum working its way up, right? And has this ever done this before? Let's look at the COVID crash. The COVID crash. Wow. It went from 4,200 down to 35, up to a high of 30,000. It did 100x. It did 100x. Ethereum went from 80, 10, 800. Maybe you did a 30x, 40x. So yeah, but that's if you held. These tokens you're not supposed to really hold for that long, right? You're supposed to kind of like identify patterns on actual ETH chart and play the breakouts. Look, 260,000, 4x. You know, maybe there was a pattern here on ETH from what 7.2 to 30. Maybe you just got 7.2 or 8 and did a 2x, 2.5x, right? That's what you kind of supposed to use this for, just to kind of give you overall portfolio a bit more alpha. So this again is just a fun-ish trade, but I want to make money on this. Believe me. So what happens if it hits 7k? I should definitely take off the initial, right? Maybe all of it, and then wait for some sort of reaction, and then maybe it goes again. We don't know. I'm just on this trade. I'm just a gambler, essentially, right? I'm just a gamble. Yeah. So this could turn into a nice little, what? Buy your little used car, a little trip down to Cornwall on the coast or something, So yeah, don't want to turn this into nothing, right? Let's look over the overall market. Doge up 10%. That's why I have Doge on top on my watch list. It's a key indicator. And look, it never took out this low. So now you got a. Shall we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? But this 5 wave could be a complex 5 wave, right? If that's 3, that's 4, and this is wave 5, a long super wave 5, right? 1, 2, 3, up to 250, comes back down to $1.16, 4, wave 4, and then wave 5. You never know. I'm just keeping an open eye. I'm not trading Doge. I don't own Doge, but outperforming, isn't it? Doge BTC. Let's have a quick look. Doge BTC again formed this like consolidation box, broke out, formed another consolidation box, test down here, and we're up here. How many sats is this? Is this 915 sats? 1, 2, 3. Oh boy, I wish it just gave you like. This is why BTC's got its numerology wrong. Even though I know at $1 million, 1 sat is 1 penny, right? At $1 million, 1 Satoshi is 1 penny, $1 penny. But yeah, Doge. Maybe I should be trading Doge. Oh my god, yeah. That's why you can't look at too many things. And that's what makes it posting videos and keeping an eye on the market for you guys kind of makes my head turn a little bit. Not really, because I got most of my money locked up in Hex for multiple years. I think my average is over 7 years now. So I'm keep it bumping that up. Went from 4, 5, 6, and now it's 7. So yeah, very happy with that. And part of the reason why I am doing this Litecoin trade leverage is I want to have funds available to sacrifice. If you don't know what's going on, there's going to be an Ethereum fork, a layer 2 solution. And if you don't know, layer 2 solutions have done incredibly well. Matic, Solana, Phantom, all that kind of stuff, from 1 penny up to $1-2, right? Even higher, I think. Bitcoin's about to break 40,000. Bitcoin's about to break 40,000. It's good. High. Right. Let's draw some lows. Boom. Ooh. Okay. We're still neutral because on this 4-hour candle, because it's still underneath the 18 moving average, and also the momentum is still negative. So we need a good day. A good day, what does that entail? I'm talking about 41, 42, 43, right? That's what I want to see, or that's what everyone wants to see, right? But look at this. Again, from 30,000 on the Bitstamp, 30,066. I believe on the CME, let's quickly check the CME. Because it's leveraged, it must have done even worse. Worse as in... no. Premium. $200 premium. Let's just look around. Bitfinex. Wow, Bitfinex. Home of the Tether printer. How many Tethers got printed yesterday? Go on Twitter and find out. I'd be interested to know. Or go on CoinMarketCap and click on Tether and see how that has grown. Did people exit positions into Tether, or was there new money coming into Tether from externally? There we go. 40,000. Boom. 40,000. It's good to see. Good to see. Let's look at Litecoin quickly. Litecoin BTC. Let's do that. Not too bad. Tweezer on the daily. Tweezer and the Tweezer on the momentum. Yes. What a flush out this was. What a flush out. And could we say we needed it? Could we say we needed YouTube streamers to become more... When there's... Everyone is making too much money easily, quickly, then something's up. When you're getting messages from people who haven't shown no interest in crypto, your friends and family, for years, even though you've kind of dropped hints or said, hey, you should pick up a Bitcoin, it's only $2,000 or $1,000 or 3,000, and now they're aping to get in. People were aping to get in, and I think on social media, to my friends and family, I was like, when Bitcoin hit 50, I was like, don't buy it. I was like, don't buy it. Please don't buy it. Sorry, where's the Bitcoin chart? I think it hit 50. When did it hit 50? Yeah, right here. In February, I was like, please don't buy it. Please don't buy it. And then I offered a solution, an alternative that did really, really well. But nobody took me up on that. But then around here, I was getting messages and it's like saying, how do I buy crypto? I was like, oh no, this could be the top. And I was kind of thinking that I was hoping not, but it turned out to be a flush. I believe so. Let's look at the Heiken-Nashi. Let's go cleaner. Chart. Here we go. So hiking actually still negative. Oh, so I think what is the high? 41679. 41679. Maybe it has to push above that to turn it to flip it purple. Purple is a bullish trend. This converts the price action into a trend you can kind of follow, right? Can you see that? As opposed to a regular candle, it's more confusing, right? Up, down, up, down, up, down. These candles were invented by Japanese rice traders, like hundreds of years ago. So there you go, have it. Yeah, I think that's it. I think I'm done. XMR up 20. It's easy to get post double-digit returns today after the wipeout we saw yesterday. So, and these numbers need to be bigger to get you back to where you was, right? So you look at link open at 40. We're still at 29. Wow, is that correct? High of 43, low of 19. Complete wipeout. And I guess we can just hold on, clean this up now. Let's keep that there. You want to do that one over here? Okay. And let's get rid of these lines. Remove. Do we see it take out? Fit the hold high at 52. It's at 29 right now. We'll see. We'll see. Anyway, I'm gonna call it this video. I'll be around in the afternoon and probably the evening, but for the rest of the day, rest of the afternoon, I've got some stuff to do, stuff to take care of. Okay, all right, people, take care. Have a good one.